What's up to all my homies on YouTube? Today I am back with another tutorial showing you how to turn on and enable airplane mode on iPhone. This should work for all variations of iPhone, and it's quite simple. All you do is just go into the settings app that is on the main page of iPhone like I did here, and right at the top of the screen there you will see the airplane mode setting. All you have to do is just simply tap it, and once the lever switches on to green, that way you know airplane mode is active and you could see the airplane in the top right corner. You could also see when you swipe down from the top right of your screen, it will take you to this control center. And inside of this control center, you could also see there is an airplane icon, so you can simply enable it from there without even going into settings. It is pretty simple. That is all I have for you today. If you did find this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me go pushing towards this goal of 1,000 subscribers. Thank you and have a great day.